Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Wednesday, April 22nd, 2009. This morning I'd like to take a look at how you find signatures for methods and just plain text inside your Smalltalk image. I've already gone through finding signatures for methods a few times, but let's just take a look. Browse, implementers and senders. This is the one almost everybody knows about in Smalltalk. It's basically kind of famous. I can start typing something like has, and I can find all the selectors that start with that string, has. So basically they're all Boolean checks, has, blah. Or I could look for star HAS and find places where that's embedded, and that gets me less interesting results because you find things like hashing and almost, but has, super, all these things. So that's one way to find things. What if you wanted to find, though, a method where the word has was in the text of the method rather than in the signature? Well, there's no obvious way to do that from here, and it turns out there is a way to do it, but it's kind of buried a little bit, if you will. Go to the browser, go to the Find menu. Notice down here there's a methods with strings matching. So I can type has, and then it'll turn up every method, and it turns out there's only two. And here it is, there's a string embedded here where it's dumping off some kind of text into a stream. So that finds me all of the methods where that's there. Now, that doesn't seem that useful for that particular check, but this image happens to be the one where I've got my blog server loaded. So a more useful one might be find methods with strings matching, and that. This is kind of a useful proxy for all the methods that generate HTML on my blog server. So if I do that, I get a fairly long list of things. I can go in here and say, well, here I have in the visual wave piece of this, here's how it puts out some headers for errors. In my blog server, here's how it writes archive hrefs. So I find ways, all the methods rather, where that string is embedded in the text of the method. Not the places where it's in the method name, but the places where it's embedded in the method text. So two different checks. This is how you find where things are embedded in the text. Go to the Find menu here, and then pull down Methods with Strings Matching. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.